Everyone wants a million views on YouTube. But here's the truth, most creators are doing everything right, except the things that actually matter. In this video, I'll break down the exact strategy YouTubers use to hit 1 million views. Even with small channels, no fake motivation, no shortcuts, just real YouTube psychology and algorithm logic. Watch till then because the last strategy is what separates viral creators from everyone else. So, the part 1 is stop chasing the algorithm. Most creators ask, how do I please the algorithm? It's the wrong question. The algorithm follows the audience, not you. If viewers click your video, watch it longer, interact with it, YouTube will automatically push it. Your job is simple, make viewers stay, not just click. Because if they will stay, then they will watch the video. So, we jump to the part 2. The first 10 seconds rule. The first 10 seconds decides everything. Bad start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very bad start to the video. What is a good start? If your videos are stuck below 1000 views, this is the exact reason why. Your opening must create curiosity, address a clear problem, promise value immediately. If people leave early, YouTube stops recommending your video. So, now we will jump to part 3, that is thumbnail psychology. In the US market, the thumbnails are emotional triggers, not decorations. So, here are the high CTR thumbnails. One face or no object. Strong emotion, that must be shock, curiosity, confidence, minimal text, 2 to 4 words max, high contrast colors. And what are the bad thumbnails? Too much text, no emotion, trying to explain the video. Remember, the title asks the question, the thumbnail creates the urge to click. Now, we will jump to the part 4. That is, titles that pull views. Stop writing descriptive titles. Start writing curiosity driven titles, which is like how to grow on YouTube. Wrong. Why small channels are growing faster than big ones. Like, this is how US audience responds to why, how why, this is why, nobody tells you. Your title should feel like, I need to know this. Now, we will jump to part 5. Audience retention is equals to real growth. YouTube doesn't reward views, it rewards watch time. To increase retention, change visuals every 5 to 7 seconds, cut all pauses, add pattern breaks, tease what's coming next. Say things like, and in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake creators make. This is like you urge the audience. Now we will jump to part 6. US niche content strategy. If you want US views, your content must be problem solving, data driven, straight to the point, and value should be very much greater than personality. Best US niches for million views are like I'm going to tell you, which is money and finance, productivity, tech and AI, self improvement, and YouTube education. US audience respects clarity, not drama. So, now we'll jump to part 7. Why most videos never go viral. And here are the reasons. Because creators copy trends too late, don't study analytics, post randomly, and quit too early. One viral video can change everything, but only if your foundation is strong. Now, we are ending the video with a good note, and I will let you know that million views don't come from luck. They come from understanding attention. Fix your hook, thumbnail, retention, and consistency, and YouTube will do the rest. If you want a full breakdown on monetizing these views, subscribe and watch the next video. So guys, do subscribe my channel and keep watching the videos. I'll let you know how to monetize your channel. See ya. Bye bye.